παιδιά, λοιπόν, αυτό είναι καινούριο βίντεο. Όπως βλέπετε, πριν είχα μόνο το Roblox, τώρα έχω δύο παιχνίδια. Θα παίξουμε πρώτα το Minecraft. Ένα λεπτό. Λοιπόν, όπως βλέπετε, είμαι σε αυτό εδώ. Θα κάνουμε, έχουμε κάνει ήδη ένα σπίτι. Ναι, και τι άλλο να κάνουμε. Γράψτε στα comments τι άλλο να κάνουμε. Θα μπούμε στην πρώτη. Ελπίζω να πάτησα τη σωστή. Πέτρος. Όχι, αυτή ήτανε. Αντώνη. Ελπίζω να μην ξεκινήσουμε από την αρχή, γιατί που στο καλό είμαι. Με βγάλε αλλού. Και δεν θυμάμαι που ήταν το σπίτι μου. Θα το ψάξουμε. Αλλά τώρα θα μας βγάζει όλη την ώρα διαστημής. Να το ξέρετε.
Want to be as rich as me? Try this app.
Το άλλο ήταν. Sorry παιδιά. Ήταν ένα άλλο. Άλλο είναι, το ξέρετε. Πήρω. Chest plate. Άρα μπήκαμε στο λάθος. Αλλά πριν πάμε να ψάξουμε. Ξέρετε. Σας τι θα κάνουμε. Πάμε να δούμε τι γίνεται στα βίντεο. Ρε βράδυ είναι. Για να ψάξουμε πρώτα εδώ. Πάλι τα ίδια. Νομίζω ότι είμαστε στο ίδιο. Δεν θυμάμαι. Αυτό είναι το πρώτο βίντεο που έχω. Γιατί το είχα, όπως ξέρετε, το είχα σβήσει. Βασικά τι είχα, ξέρετε, τι είχα βγάλει ήδη πριν. Φέρθαμε. Λοιπόν, τι θα κάνω. Ναι. Βγαίνουμε, θα βγούμε. Να βγούμε, ναι ή όχι. Πείτε μου εσείς. Και όταν θα κάνουμε live, θα σας πω τι θα κάνουμε στο live. Αλλά πάντως ακόμη δεν θα σας πω. Επειδή θέλω τώρα να το μάθετε. Ένας creeper. Ωραία βλάκα. Creeper. Καλύτερα σου πάω. τα πούμε αύριο. Ωραία. Και εδώ ξυπνήσαμε. Πρέπει να μην υπάρχει κανένα στο κανάλι. Ναι. Παιδιά, τι είναι αυτό εκεί? Α, ναι. Αυτό εννοώ ότι έχει 300 διαστρέψεις. Τι μπήμε. Fight. Α, ναι, αυτό ήταν το τέτοιο που είχα. Βοήθεια, βοήθεια. Πάμε εδώ κάτω, τι θα έχει. Α, ναι. Είναι πεις. Ναι, ωραία, έχω ένα αστίγιο. Αυτό δεν θα μπορέσω. Ένα torch. Πάρουμε redstone dust. Να το έχουμε συνέψει. Και θα πάρουμε και λίγο ξύλο. Πολύ φίλοι. Καλύτερα να μπορούσα κάτι να το έκανα. Αλλά μ' αφήσεις κάτω βιάθηνο. Φοβάμαι να ανοίξω σε εσάς τη και... Τι είναι αυτό? Μην πες τα μούτρα. Α, ναι. Και εδώ. Παίζουν μπιφ. Θα πεθάνω. Βοήθεια. Γρήγορα θα το αλλάξω. Χαίστηκα. Θα πεθάνω. Πανά μου πεθάνω. Μετά όλα τα πράγματά μου εκεί πέρα θα μείνω. Και δεν με πήραν καθόλου. Πέθανα. Καλά, πέθανα. Όχι, δεν πέθανα. Γιατί σε μένα έγινε και... Ούτε καν. χαλάσαν όλα. Α, τρέχα. Τι είναι αυτό? Δεν το κοιτάω. Τι θα γίνει? Πού είναι? Λοιπόν, θα το κοιτάω. Το σπίτι είναι ωραίο. Θέλω να το κοιτάξω, ρε φίλε. Είναι ωραίο να το κοιτάξω. Πρέπει να το κοιτάω. Το κοιτάω. Τα. Creative mode. Γιατί δεν παίρνει? Γιατί δεν παίρνει το creative mode? Αυτό είναι, δεν ήταν τόσο ωραίο αυτό. Τι? Δεν υπάρχει creative mode. Το βάζω. Creative mode. Μπήκε. Ωραία. Με κυνηγούσε. Να ζωγραφίσω το τράμινο. Λοιπόν, με κυνηγούσε το ηλίθιο. Παιδιά, τώρα κοιτάξτε τι θα κάνουμε. Θα το κοιτάξω. Βασικά δεν θα το ξανακοιτάξω. Γιατί αυτό είναι μαλάκας. Θα βγούμε. Από αυτό. Έπιασε κοιλιά. Πλάκα μου. Δεν άρεσε τίποτα. Τώρα θα σας δείξω. Δεν χτυπάει, παιδιά, η καρδιά μου. Δεν μπορώ να πνέψω. Δεν μπορώ. Δεν μπορώ να πνέψω. Μπόρεσα. Θα τα ξοδέψω όλα. Τι λέει, ρε?
Speak up when I hop about to cut. I promise I'm gonna make it. She got lights, cameras, action, but I promise that I won't be seen. She told me that she loved me, but I knew that she was make believe. But this ain't even about it, so let me catch you up to speed. Red target slaying demons. I'll be quick to put them on that red.
Πολύ ωραίο τραγούδι, πολύ. Θα το πάω για τη μέση. Ξέρω τι θα πάει. 300. 77. 100 μέχρι τώρα. Λοιπόν, 150, 250. Πάντα έχω το πήγαινα στο 250. Γιατί δεν μπορώ να το πω παραπάνω από 250. Παιδιά, βοηθήστε με. Πρέπει να το πάω παραπάνω από 250. Γιατί με γίνεται έτσι το χέρι? Κοιτάξτε λίγο πως με γίνεται. Α, ναι. Είναι το βράδυ. Εγώ πρέπει να πάω μέσα στο σπίτι μου. Πού στο κάλο πήγε η πόρτα? Καλά, η πόρτα εξαφανίστηκε. Λοιπόν, παιδιά, θα πάμε λίγο creative. Βασικά θα μείνουμε creative. Γιατί θα δούμε πόσο καλό είναι το σπίτι. Θα το κάνω ακριβώς στη μέση. 4. Αυτό μου αρέσει πάρα. Σιγά να σε βοηθήσω. Πάμε μέχρι στο level 4. Μετά είναι. Αυτός είναι level. Αυτό είναι level 4. Αυτό είναι level 2. Είναι level 1. Αυτός είναι level 2. Λίγο πιο μεγάλο. Εγώ είμαι πιο μεγάλο τώρα και από αυτό. Ωραία. Θα μείνουμε για πάντα έτσι. Λοιπόν, αλλά πρώτα πρέπει να βρούμε στα γρήγορα μια πόρτα, γιατί δεν ξέρω πώς το καλό εξαφανίστηκε. Μια iron door. Ωραία, τι βάλαμε? Α, ναι, και εσείς θα λέτε πόσες μεριές έχει. Λοιπόν, αυτή είναι η πρώτη. Με την μαλακία. Και άμα γίνει κάποια μαλακία θα τα έχουμε. Θα σας τις δείχνω έτσι και θα τις πάω. Λέτε να βάλω και μια και 2 ακόμη. Αλλά ναι. Σιγάρτα αργά. Chicken motherfucker. Εγώ δεν το κατεβάζω ποτέ αυτό. Εγώ θα παίξω στο Minecraft που παίζω. Εντάξει, ωραίο σπίτι. Δεν έχω να πω ότι είναι χάλια, αλλά έχω ήδη ένα. Πόσο Minecraft να κατεβάσω? 3.000. Λοιπόν, θα τα κάνουμε τελικά και ακόμη 2 πλευρές, ακόμη 2. Λοιπόν, θα πάρουμε πρώτα αυτό ή αυτό? Θα λέω αυτό. Ή βασικά. Αυτό εδώ πέρα νομίζω ότι δεν σε κάνει κάτι. Αυτό. Και μια ακόμη. Ποια να είναι? Είναι κάτι άσπρο. Να φαίνεται. Δεν θα φαίνεται και πολύ. Αλλά μπορεί και αυτό. Θα δούμε. Κάτι που θα είναι όλο άσπρο. Ενώ το άλλο ήταν snow. Ναι. Λοιπόν, μετά είναι η bedrock. Μετά είναι αυτή εδώ. Και μετά...
Hey, I want to look like a Chaiman from BTS. Can you make this hairstyle? Okay, just make this haircut. No, what? What did you do? Why? I didn't ask you about this. Stop why it's not pink.
Κι εγώ έτσι θα το έκανα, αλλά τέλος πάντων. Λοιπόν, τώρα θα το φτιάξω στα αληθινά. Θα τον κάνω όλο καράφλα. Μην έχει καν μαλλί. Μετά τι θα το βάψω? Το τίποτα. Τέλος πάντων. Ωραία. Και αφού το τελείωσα, θα περάσω σε αυτό. Τώρα, καλύτερο είναι το πράσινο. Είναι ωραίο το πράσινο. Πάει στο καράφλα. Θα είναι full καράφλα. Θέλω να μην... Ναι, σιγά μην το κατέβασα. Λοιπόν, μετά είναι το τίποτα. Γι' αυτό... Γαμώτο! Βασικά θα το κάνω με bedrock. Να σας πω γιατί. Γιατί είναι η δεύτερη σειρά που είναι με bedrock. Λοιπόν, πάντως το έχετε δει τη φάση μου στο short. Αλλά τώρα δεν μου την έχετε δει πια. Λοιπόν, θα πάω και θα ανοίξω την κάμερα. Βγαίνουμε. Λοιπόν, 1 λεπτό παιδιά. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2 και 1. Γεια σας. Εγώ είμαι αυτός. Εγώ είμαι πάντως. Δεν ξέρω γιατί πήγε τόση ώρα να το κάνω. Αλλά δεν ξέρω γιατί το έκανα. Πρώτη φορά είναι. Δεν ξέρω γιατί. Όμως έκανα face reveal στα 8 χρονών. Καλά δεν είμαι 8 πλάκα μου. 8 χρονών είμαι. Ναι. Στα 7 ήμουν έτσι και τώρα πως είμαι μετά από 1 χρόνο έτσι είμαι. Άμα θέλετε να δείτε το outfit, ελπίζω να το πείτε για trip. Δεν ξέρω αν το πείτε για όχι. Φορώ και μπλουζ του μπάσκετ, το ξέρετε. Λοιπόν, αυτό είναι το trip. Λοιπόν, θα σας μάθω πώς να το κάνετε κι εσείς. Όπως βλέπετε αυτή είναι εδώ η κάμερα που έχει εδώ. Θα γράψετε σε ένα χαρτάκι αυτό εδώ. Θα σας αφήσω ώρα. Και ωραία. Και μετά θα μπείτε. Θα πρέπει να κάνετε μερικά steps. Εγώ τα έχω κάνει. Μερικά steps. Και μετά τι θα πρέπει. Και μετά θα είσαστε εδώ μέσα. Λοιπόν. Μετά εδώ πέρα μπαίνεις για κάμερα. Και άμα θέλεις κάνεις και live. Εγώ δεν ξέρω γιατί ακριβώς άμα θέλω να κάνω κανένα live ή όχι. Αλλά σας είπα ότι θα κάνουμε. Περιμένετε όποιος τσιρίζει εκεί πέρα στα comments πότε θα κάνει live. Να περιμένει. Γιατί δεν ξέρουμε ακόμη πόσους subscribers έχουμε. Γι' αυτό θα μπούμε στο YouTube και θα δούμε. Θα σας δείξω τώρα και τι βίντεο έχω τραβήξει. Μ' αρέσει να βλέπω τον tap. Αυτό το tap βίντεο θα το δούμε σε 1 λεπτό. Και ναι, Μερικά, αυτό δεν είναι το κανάλι μου. Μην λέτε ποιο είναι το κανάλι σου, ποιο είναι το κανάλι σου. Να το. Ναι, αυτός είμαι εγώ. Άρα και έχω τραβήξει βίντεο σε μια κάμερα. Άρε Αντώνη. Ναι, αυτό είναι το Παναθηναϊκό. Κοιτάξτε, μόλις μπαίνεις, θα βγάζει κατευθείαν το τραφίλι, αλλά μετά δεν θα είναι. Ναι, αυτό είναι το BMX μου. Ναι, όπως βλέπετε έχω πάρα πολλές μύριες στη φάτσα μου. Το παλιό μου το skin. Τώρα πάμε στα short. Λοιπόν, όλα αυτά είναι. Όπως βλέπετε, είναι πάρα πολλά. Δεν θυμάμαι. Αλλά παιδιά, αυτός είμαι εγώ. Ναι. Τώρα θέλετε να βρείτε κανένα βίντεο. Άμα θέλετε γράψτε στα comments, θα σας βάλω ένα βίντεο. Πες να θέλετε όλοι σας. «42 subscribers». Λοιπόν, μη λέτε πως το είδα. Μη λέτε. Λοιπόν, θα σας μάθω καμιά φορά. Λοιπόν, θα δούμε αυτό. Προσπαθούσα όλη την ώρα να την κάνω ban και δεν μπορούσα καν. Ένα λεπτό. Τη βλέπω στην κάμερα. Δεν ξέρω που πήγε, αλλά δεν ξέρει καν που είναι το χρηματοκιβώτιό μου. Είχα θυμώσει να πούμε τέρμα. Δεν θέλω να το δω. Είχα θυμώσει. Όχι αυτό πάλι. Ναι. Έχω 2 PlayStation τέτοια. Με το PlayStation έχω από τα χειριστήρια του PlayStation 2 και το PlayStation 3 από τα χειριστήρια. Αυτό γιατί το έχω βγάλει 2 φορές. Γιατί εδώ πέρα βγάζει τη γλώσσα μου. Όπως βλέπετε, αυτό εδώ πέρα είναι το κινητό μου. Αυτό είναι στο κινητό μου, να το ξέρετε. Ο τρανός. Να, εμείς εδώ πέρα νομίζω ότι παίζαμε Roblox. Δεν θυμάμαι. Να, είδατε αυτή την εφαρμογή του τρανού. Που έχει το τρανού τη φώτσα. Αυτή είναι για να κάνετε αυτό. Λοιπόν, τώρα, τι θέλω να κάνουμε. Α, ναι, να δούμε το tap βίντεο. Θέλετε μια φορά να κάνουμε βίντεο μέσα σε ένα βίντεο, μέσα σε ένα βίντεο, μέσα σε ένα βίντεο. Φυσικά, βίντεο μέσα σε ένα βίντεο. Εντάξει. Λοιπόν, αυτός είναι ο tap water. Αυτός είναι ένα speakable. Θα δούμε το ένα speakable. Είναι πιο καλό σκηνοπίζω. Αλλά εγώ βλέπω πιο πολύ tap και speakable.
Με το νέο Ariel All-in-One Hotch πλένουμε στους 30, γιατί κάθε βαθμός μετράει.
Here we go, 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 go.
What the heck? Γιατί έχει περάσει.
I'm sorry to interrupt this video, but this is very important. Mr. Beans here has something to say. Mr. Beans, what were you going to tell the audience? You can't speak? Oh, that's right. You're a bean. The important thing is this is the second week of the giveaway. Second week? Unspeakable. I haven't even heard about the first week. What are you doing? Here's the deal. Every week for 4 weeks, I've been giving away stuff, and we're we're on the second week. The first thing you can win is a bundle of merch this week. The second thing you can win this week is a brand new iPad. And the third thing you can win this week is playing Minecraft with me. We can play Bed Wars, Sky Wars, or you can hop in my very own world and we can make an awesome house. And you're probably wondering, how do I enter this giveaway and how do I win? All you gotta do is go to www.sneakable.com and get yourself some merchandise and I'll let you know if you win the giveaway. Make sure you enter by Tuesday at midnight. Otherwise, I'll become Hero Brian. Welcome back to a game where I wobble through life. I wobble. That's all I do is wobble and I wobble. If you guys haven't seen me play this game, basically what happened is, well, this is my grandma's house. My grandma kicked me out for being bad and playing video games and not doing anything with my life. So therefore, I decided to live a crazy life. And I'm basically free to do whatever I want. Can I buy this house yet, by the way? $1,000! Okay, maybe next week. Here's the deal, guys. We have a flippin' mission today.
A mission like no other mission that you've ever seen before.
Check this out. Recently, the game has had a huge update. And right here, they've added in a massive mountain. And I flew past it the other day. And right here, there is a secret door entrance. And I'm pretty sure there's aliens and a UFO in there. I know. I just said UFO. And I know I said, yep, UFO, aliens. You heard me right. Yep. We're gonna wobble our way over there and show those aliens who's boss. Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna fall. This ball thing is way too slow. I think I'm gonna take one of the pizza cars. Whip. I used to work here. Do you guys remember when I worked at the pizza shop? That was a while ago. I hated that job. You know, if I'm gonna be honest with you, this car is also extremely slow. We need this. We need a helicopter. This is what we need. What the flip? At least it pushed me closer. Oh, there's the mountain. Do you see it? Am I gonna walk there now? Like, what the flip? Okay, whatever. We'll get there eventually. You know, it's the journey that matters. That's what makes it successful. Excuse me, sir. You don't mind if I borrow your car, do you? Oh, is that a present? Hello. Money. Coming through! I found aliens! Get out of my way! Yo, actually though, how the flip do I get up there? I think I have to have a helicopter. How am I gonna climb up the side of a mountain? Don't worry, I got another helicopter. Oh my gosh, check this place out. Yo, are those planes? Oh, look at this, there's an entire runway. More helicopters. We also got a military helicopter over here. Okay, so this is the door I was talking about. So let's see. I don't even know how we're supposed to get in here. Do we just knock? Is there like a doorbell or something? Hello? Oh, or they'll just open for us. Okay. Aye, matey. Good day. How's it going? This is Wobbly Island Research Base. Okay, great. Tell no one about what you see here. Okay. Oh, I pressed another button. Oh, no, where the flip are we going? Ah! I'm sorry, I'm getting too excited. I should stop freaking out. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh, what is this, bro? Oh, I found the UFO. Hey, you're not supposed to be here. This is a secret base. Let me escort you out. Hold on. Maybe you could be useful. That's right, Mr. Scientist. I am useful. I'm trying to fix this UFO, but I'm missing some important parts. They were supposed to be delivered hours ago. Oh my gosh, I put what I need on a whiteboard behind me. Okay, so he needs a battery, a fuse, fuel, and keys. How the flip am I supposed to find that? I wonder, did you check the pallets, bro? Like, what if the battery's in one of these boxes? Oh, wait. Am I supposed to put the pallets on the... Oh, I see what's going on here. All right, there's the blue one. Now we need the green one that's over here. Mr. Green, what are you doing? Floating in the air. Look at... Oh, okay, now one last one, which is the yellow one right over there. Okay, I hope this actually does something. I hope I'm not just doing someone's job for fun. All right, and there we go. They're all there. What happens now? Oh, wait, do you see that up there? Look at the bridge. It's broken. Oh, my God. Okay, I see what it's making me do. Oh, you're not going to believe it. Is that the battery over there? Are you kidding me? Okay, yeah, there you go. Oh, yes! Look at this! I have mad scientist. Let me drive the UFO. I want to go fast. Hello, sir. I found the battery.
You can feel the power in this thing.
Okay, now I need to find a fuse, fuel, and keys. Keep moving. Yep. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Are you okay? It keeps dripping. I don't really know what to say about that. What is going on in here? Hello. Hey, you're not a scientist. I know. I'm looking for fuel. Wait, this could be good. What do you mean? My test subject? They told us we couldn't send any more scientists down there. We've been using this shrinking machine to try and find the UFO keys. Yo, I'm down. I will volunteer. I would love to be a part of the shrinking machine. This sounds very fun.
Είναι κουμπάκι κάτω.
Dude, wait, I'm gonna be so tiny. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, everyone's so huge. Hey, over there. Is that one of the small scientists? You look different to the others. Maybe you can help. I'm having a bit of trouble finding my team. Oh my gosh. Why does everyone need help in this lab? You guys not have your stuff together? All right, buddy. I will help you. If I see any of those people, I will bring them to you. But I am on the search for some keys right now. I found a giant straw, or I guess it's just a normal sized straw. Oh my gosh, I can take it with me. Whee! Okay, so there is conveniently placed rulers and stuff leading up to the top of these boxes. I feel like I'm supposed to go up here. That is a very large fan. Okay, the fan is very powerful.
I don't know where to go. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but I know I need to save the world.
What does that do? Oh, you want me to be on there? Hold on, do it again. Yes, take me up. Oh, you're so big, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this? Is that a hamster? Oh, that's scary. Oh, it's alive. Oh, I can crawl inside its cage. Hello, hamster. You want to tussle? I'll ride you. What the heck is this? This is a zip line? Look at this. What in the world? All right. Well, we're going. Slowly but surely. Here we are. Nice. I'm still trying to look for this dude's scientist. I don't know where the heck they are. Oh, no. No. Get up.
Just like
Get up, wobble. Get up. I gotta do parkour, and then I gotta walk through some lasers. Oh, the green ones killed me too. I'm so scared. Here we go. Yeah. Yep. Oh my gosh. Make a run for it. Go. Oh no! I'm so stupid! Alright.
Στα Lidl, 25 χρόνια τώρα, γεμίζουμε το πασχαλινό σας τραπέζι με αγαπημένες παραδοσιακές...
Go. Oh, I did it. Oh, it's one of the scientists. Hello, sir. I think you need to come with me. All those lasers are scary. Yeah, how did you get stuck over here? I got distracted by a big fish. Okay, so he hasn't seen the keys yet. Okay, so I found one of the scientists. There's 3 more to find. You got distracted by this big fish? That's why you got stuck over here? Alright, cool, bro. Honestly, I feel you. Let's hop in here. Let's press the button, and then let's go all the way to the top. Hopefully we can find another scientist up here. Hello. What is going on back here? Ooh, it's dirty back here. Okay. There's probably keys or a scientist somewhere back here. What is this? Hello? Oh, I found another scientist. Hello, my friend. How's it going? You found me. My friend is stuck up on that ledge. If only I could get that robotic arm to work. Okay, wait, what ledge? All the way up there? Where's the robotic arm? Oh, that? That giant, flip. Oh, no. No. I'm stuck. No, I fell. I didn't want to fall. Wait, what is this? Enter password. There's a 2 there. There's a 7 there. Oh. 2, 7. What about... there's another sticky note. So it's 2, 9, 7 what?
2-9.
2974 something. 2974. I got it. 2974. 7. And then where's the 4? 4. There we go. Did I do it? Oh, robot arm activated. Bro, you just forgot the password. Okay, so, oh wait, this is the robotic arm. Oh, I thought it was that giant thing. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. This one's still cool. Alright, press the button. Okay, we've been lifting up to the ledge. We're gonna go get his other friend. Oh, I love Mr. Matt. Today is just such a beautiful day. I'm right outside my house and I got this rocket and I'm not even gonna lie, today is a very special day because we are going to the flippin' moon, boys. And a helicopter looks really fun to drive right now. Good morning, Wobbly City. It's your favorite human. Having a good, that's a lot of trampolines. Since we pretty much have the entire day to do whatever we want until 10 o'clock at night till we start unlocking the moon boots, I know exactly what we can do. What up, Home Slice? We need to play some golf. There we go. Oh, no, going the wrong way. Oh, flip. Yo, what? Why am I so bad? What, bruh? Oh, no. Bro, are you flipping serious? Yeet! Oh, let's go! Oh, if the mouth was open, it would have made it in there. You know that. You know that. Go, Mr. Ball. Did it make it? I have decided that golf is not for me. Maybe we'll come back when I have a little bit more skill. Yeah, this dude literally has a tennis court in his backyard. Maybe tennis is for me. Yeah, you don't mind if I just land next to your pool, do you? I know this house is for sale for $15,000, but I don't really got $15,000, so I'm just gonna borrow your tennis court. Ah, yes! I must be very good at tennis. Give me the ball. Give me the racket. How the flip do I even grab this thing? Why is my character invisible? I can't even pick it up off the flipping ground! There we go, I got it. Okay. Let me press this button here. Oh, I gotta run. Come on. No. I got it. Hey! I'm actually pretty good at tennis. Let's go. I know I haven't hit a single ball over the net yet, but whoa. What just happened? Why am I stuck over here? Hey, calm down. That's too many balls. Stop it. Wee! Yo, I can't wait to live like a millionaire and own this house, bro. It's gonna happen, okay? It's gonna happen.
Γιάκα μου, θα το κρατήσεις γενικές μέρες. Πού θα πας? Σ' αγαπώ. Γιαγιά, μου έχει φύγει το κουμπί, μήπως μπορείς να το... Κατάλαβες. Είστε τέλεια. Γιαγιά μου, λίγα από τα κολουράκια σου. Έρχονται φίλες μου για καφέ. Κράτα τα όλα. Μόνη μου είμαι. Τι να τα κάνω. Καλώς θες μου. Τι είναι πάλι. Τίποτα. Ήρθαμε έτσι. Χωρίς λόγο.
Όπου υπάρχει μοναξιά.
It's gonna happen, okay? It's gonna happen. I'm very sorry to interrupt, but this is breaking news. Local YouTuber Moosecraft finds himself stuck on the moon after buying a rocket from Elon Musk. He has requested assistance, but no one will help him till next week. But you know what you shouldn't wait for till next week? Getting yourself some merchandise. Head over to www.speakable.com to get yourself some merch. Link in the description. Are you guys enjoying sitting in the rain? Okay, suit yourself. Ice Cream World. Look at this. All right, let's go in and get a brand new job. Hello, how's it going? Look at the screen for the recipe. Use the machine to make the ice cream and deliver it to the front window. Easy enough. Okay, so where's the screen? Flip. Okay, so I need this first. Is that what I need? Oh, wait, I probably need to get a bowl. Ah, bro. Oh, no, I'm smearing the ice cream everywhere. All right, X marks the spot. There we go. There's 3 scoops. So let me get 3 scoops in there. There we go. All right, now look. Oh, it all fell out. All right, so it said it needed sprinkles. Let me see if they're okay with just having 1 scoop. There we go. Yeah. Oh, no. No. Oh my gosh, they melted. All right, here you go. Is this all you want? Just the waffle cone? Ah, bro, one of the scoops keeps full. Why is this the hardest job I've ever done in my life? All right, let me grab it with 2 hands. I'm just gonna drag. Flip! Just go slow. Just go slow and speed. Hey! Wow! Whoa! I got it. It's only one scoop. What? It has to be 3 scoops? Are you flipping serious? Maybe I failed because I didn't have the sauce. And I think I'm supposed to put this sauce on it. Let me put it right there. Yeah, there we go. I completely forgot the sauce. There we go. Okay, so we got the sauce. We got the sprinkles. If this is still wrong... Oh my gosh, it has to be 3 scoops. Are you flipping serious? Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh. This right here is our first little telescope. So let's go fly over there. It's currently 3 o'clock, so we have about 7 hours until the sun sets, but wobbly time, that's like 5 minutes. All right, here it is. I have found it. Okay, let's go ahead and land very carefully because we need this helicopter to travel to all the other telescopes through the night. Very nice, very nice. All right, so what's going on in here? Hello, Doc. Oh, you're interested in having a look around the observatory? Yes. Well, my wobbly friend, this is a place of science. Okay, so there is an alien code, and there's 4 telescopes. So we're starting at green telescope, then we got to go to the blue one, the yellow one, and the red one, and we have to do all of this in the nighttime before 3 a.m. Each one of them seems to receive a different audio signal. Locate the signal from each of the telescopes, and then you have to insert the signals into here. Okay, that's easy enough. All right, well, this seems very, very easy. All we gotta do is camp out here till it's 10 o'clock at night. It is 10:30 right now, but unfortunately, it's flipping raining outside, bro. It is not a clear night, so I'm not able to do it. Gonna have to wait till night number 2. Okay, we gotta listen. Round. There it is. Listening. 1 beep. 2, 3. 3 beeps? I'm pretty sure that was 3. If I can count to 3, I think that was 3. We're going to the next telescope that is across this land. I believe it's over this mountain. We'll be there shortly. We gotta do this quick though, dude. We only have like 3 more hours to do this. 3 more hours in wobbly time, which is like 3 minutes. I think Mr. Telescope is somewhere on this house. Mr. Telescope, where are you? Hello, Mr. Telescope. Okay, yes, we found it. Alright, so now we just gotta find that UFO weird looking thing. Hello, Mr. Weird UFO looking thing. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there it is. There it is. Alright, listening, listening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. It's not beeping anymore. I heard 8. Alright, 8 it is. Only 1 more telescope to go to, and I'm pretty sure it is right over here. Somewhere in that area. I could be wrong. I honestly have no idea where it is. Wobbly man coming through, trying to get that wobbly alien. We have made it to thy telescope. It's over here in the corner. The final telescope. And we did it with just enough time to spare. All right. Ooh, everything's purple. All right, gotta find that alien spaceship again. There it is. All right, listening. Wait for it. 1 beep. 2, 3. Wait. 4, 5. I got 5. I got 5 beeps. Let's go. Okay, so the numbers are 2, 3, 8, 5. Okay, so all we gotta do is fly back, insert the numbers, and we should unlock the moon.
Okay.
It's 3:40 in the morning. I am tired, but I think we finally got all the numbers. By the way, the window to look through all the telescopes is only from 10 to 3. Luckily, we got all these numbers. I hope they're right. If they're not right, I'm gonna cry. And I think this one is 8. Okay. 8. That was 8 beeps. And the last one was 5. It was either 4 or 5. Pretty sure it was 5. Okay, did I do it? Alright, so 2, 3, 8, 5. Alright, let's press the button. Did I do it? Whoa, yeah! Let's go! Wait, these 4 numbers are wobbly coordinates. What do you mean? They point to a specific place on Wobbly Island. Go here and see what you can discover. Oh, wait, is that the mining area? I know exactly where this is. Wait, that's where that crystal was. The crystal. I can't even speak. I can't even speak. That's where that that purple crystal that we found. Is that what our prize is? Okay, we gotta go there right flipping now. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. The moon's out, shining bright. Let's go. Are we about to take this RV? Is this an RV? It looks like a bus. Yeah, it's definitely a bus. All right. Well, we're taking it. This is my only ride down to the city. We could steal a plane. That would be nice. Woo! About to go right through the golf course. Sorry, golf course. Oh snap! That's a statue. Okay, we're gonna grab this plane. All right, can I even get it out of here? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's go.
Πιο κοφτερές λεπίδες για ακόμα
Θα το διαφημίσει, θα το διαφημίσει. Απορώ πως παίζει ακόμη το βίντεο. Παιδιά, δεν θα σας πω πότε θα τελειώσουμε. Θα σας πω μόλις είμαστε έτοιμοι να
Don't hit a
τελειώσουμε.
tree! Don't hit a tree! Okay, I know exactly where to go to get this stuff. Oh, this plane is literally so quiet; it makes no noise. There's not a single sound coming through this plane. That is so weird. Why is it so quiet? Okay, I'm pretty sure it's right down here. Yes, 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 yes. All right, let's come in for the landing. Come in for the landing. Oh my gosh! Okay, I mean that works. That works too. Yeah, that's fine. What the heck is that giant cannon? That green thing? I don't think that's what we're looking for, though. I think we're looking for that right there. That crystal. This should be the answer to our questions and everything we've been looking for. Oh, is it digging? What the heck? It's digging. What is that? What is that? What the heck is that? What is it? Hey, where are you going? Hey, come here. Come here. What are you? How do I? I'm pretty sure this is the moon boots, but how do I put them on? Do I step on them? No? Do I put them on this conveyor belt? Is that a good idea? What if I put you right here? Stay there. Stay there. Okay, or not. What do I do with you? How do I open them? I'm gonna put them in the back of this truck with these two big bombs. I will say this is definitely not my smartest idea. You know, driving the truck with these very precious moon boots with two bombs next to them. You know, it's definitely not my brightest idea, but you know what? It gets the job done. If those bombs get a little bit of movement, they're literally going to explode. All right, full speed, baby. Here we are on our way to Paradise Island. All right, so I gotta take these boots to the scientist, and that is who will unlock them for me. Hopefully, if they don't explode by this bomb in the back. I'm so scared. The moon boots almost fell out. Did you see that? I should maybe slow down. I should go faster. Oh my gosh. There's an ice cream shop. That's the worst job I've ever had in wobbly life. Alright, here we are at the science lab. Don't grab the bomb because if I grab the bomb, it's gonna explode. Grab the moon boots. Just the moon boots. Mr. Scientist, sir! Hello! What have you found? I found the boots. These look like anti-gravity moon boots. They must have fallen down from an alien spaceship. And the aliens have been trying to tell us where to find them. What a good day for science. Ah, yes! I unlocked the moon boots. All right, now we can drive to my house. And we should be able to put them on. Let me go up to my wardrobe. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, where's the boots? Yeah, buddy! Yes! Yes, how do they work? Oh, wait, I got it. Oh my gosh, I literally died from impact. The boots give you a double jump. I spent all this time just so I can do this. Are you flipping kidding me? Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you later. Bye. Also get your merch before it sells out.
Tesla Cybertruck.
με το Head & Shoulders με διπλάσια ενεργά συστατικά έως και 100% προστασία. Μια γκουρμέ Nature's Creations. Μόνο τα πιο εκλεκτά από το γκουρμέ. Θα τους έδινα 6 αστέρια αν μπορούσα. Γκουρμέ.
We bought every item from Tesla, and today we're testing them to see if they're worth the price. Starting with something simple like Tesla glasses. Not for your eyes, but for your drink. This one is called the Cyberstein. What the heck? And then we have this one. Bro, it comes with a stand? This thing has a little bit of a design flaw, because if you put your juice blocks in it, and you're like, oh, I want to set it down. But if you do have the kickstand like a bicycle, it stays upright. What about the mug? How do we feel about the mug? All right, James, give it a sip. It's a mug. It's cool, though. So, like, if we want to cheers, you know, we can, like... It's, like, kind of awkward. Oh, flip it over. Maybe it's a triangle underneath. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. Yo, that is crazy. I give this 2.5 stars. I give this 5 stars because it's got a beefy handle. Mysterious Elon Musk product. I don't know what it is. It is a burnt hair. That's literally what it says. It just says burnt hair. Oh!
Oh, wow, that's fancy.
I think it's some sort of cologne. Dude, that smells disgusting. Oh, I smell it now. That's bad. This is disgusting. 1 star. Give it a whiff, bro. Give it a whiff. Give it a whiff.
It smells like cigarettes.
An Elon space shuttle. But this is just not any space shuttle. Look at this missile. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh, wow. But it actually has a torch.
To figure out how well this thing works, we're gonna try to cook a steak with it. Dude, look at that flame. That's a pretty nice torch. Oh, yeah.
It'd take a while to cook a steak, but, you know, it could do it.
I would say yes. You could definitely cook this steak with a rocket. Might take 20 minutes, but it can be done. It doesn't stop there. We have a Tesla iron. Check this out. What's that?
Why do you think they even made that? Like, why would you need...
So you could brand your steak. We're going to try to get this Tesla logo super hot with our Elon rocket, and then we're going to try to brand the steak. Go ahead. Why does it smell like that?
I'm moving.
I'm trying not to breathe it in. All right, gonna brand the steak. Ooh, it smells good. It smells burnt. Oh, look at that!
That's nice.
It's a Tesla steak. Sorry, I want to brand more things. Oh, wow. Look at that.
It says food only.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Breaking the rules.
It's time to really cook this Tesla steak. So we made our own little grill, and to heat it up, we're going to use this Elon flamethrower. Oh, yeah. We're going to cook it real good. You hear that? Look at that. Yeah, buddy. This is the life right here. All right, we are officially out of fuel. We're going to see if this steak is actually cooked. Yo, we still got the Tesla logo on there. Look at that. Is it cooked?
Almost cooked. It's more cooked on one side. I think we should have flipped it a little bit.
I would say that's edible. What do you think, Gabe? 5 stars. I give this one 5 stars. 4 stars.
It also works as a plunger.
We got the Cyber Whistle. A whistle that looks exactly like a Cybertruck. Look at that. If you threw this at a window, it'd probably break it. This is a solid metal whistle. And to test it, we're going to see if James can hear us over 500 feet away.
I hear you!
Oh, he can hear us.
Oh, we can hear you!
Oh.
This might be one of the best whistles I have ever put my mouth on. And I haven't put my mouth on all the whistles. Dude, 5 freaking stars.
What are you doing? A Tesla belt buckle?
Tesla.
They made that?
Tesla.
It's metal, dude. Check this out.
Solid metal, dude. It's nice. Don't mess with Tesla.
Is it nice?
It's fresh.
I don't know, I feel like if I have this on, this is like the persona it gives me.
Όπου υπάρχει μοναξιά,
Λοιπόν,
ασύγκριστη με έναν καφέ. Έτσι,
οπότε θα κλείσουμε την κάμερα.
παπαγάλους.
Παιδιά, θα σου πω κάτι. Το ξέρετε ότι ήσασταν όλοι χαζοί. Πλάξεις κομπλάξεις. Ένας και αθόρκας. Δεν σου κάνει. Πρώτη φορά.
I think that tree is taller than the rocket.
Yes,
100%.
1,000%.
I can't say it didn't work because it did, but it didn't work well, so 3 stars. We got the most anticipated Tesla product of all time. The one everyone is talking about. It's right over there. I can't show you yet, but it is insane. It's expensive. The Tesla Cybertruck. You ready, bro? Oh, show them, bro. Show them. Should we show them? Should we show them? Let's check it out. It's a Hot Wheels car. Tesla Cybertruck. And if it makes it down this ramp right here, I'll give it 5 stars. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. It's got so many scratches on it, too. I thought this thing was like scratch resistant. One more attempt. I think the Cybertruck deserves it. Oh! It did it! It did it! It made it all the way to the... It just didn't go flying like to the moon, you know, like a rocket, but like, you know, it's... Oh yeah.
I'm supposed to use that for the other video.
That boy looking like a pancake now. Look, open the doors. Cybertruck RC car with a Cyber ATV that goes in the back. And the best part about it is the remote control literally is the same steering wheel from the real Cybertruck. But does it actually perform like a good RC car? Oh, it's not bad. Oh, it's moving. It's moving on the concrete.
Looks like a little cockroach.
Hasn't gotten stuck yet. Oh, it got stuck.
You ruined it. Yes, you jinxed it.
Yeah! Now let's test it in some mud. If it can make it through this, I'll be impressed. Come on, Cybertruck!
Oh, you went up the groove.
Oh, dude, it's literally stuck. It's stuck in the mud, dude. It can't even make it through mud. And that is a tiny mud pit. I think we should upgrade to something a little bigger. And now we got something a little bigger. We got a baby Cybertruck.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
And we got a Cyber ATV. But let me tell you, we're going to push these things to the limits and see if they're really capable of off-roading. Oh, bro. I think it already died. There's no way. This is the battery. Ah! Yeah!
Whoa. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah! It died. I'm flooring it.
Oh, wet.
I think this is, unfortunately, an ATV that's made only for the concrete.
I'm stuck. Well, one thing about it being small, if you get it stuck, you're basically a big giant that can just push it. 4.5 out of 5. What's on it?
What's on it?
How's it off-road?
Terrible.
Yeah, this.
How's it drive?
Off-road, terrible. On-road, pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the concrete now, this thing is pretty nice.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. He's popping 2 wheels right now.
Your boy knows how to ride. I give this thing a 2 out of 10.
I don't know. For something he gave a 2-star rating, he's still enjoying it.
They even make Tesla backpacks. I'm just gonna put it in my. Oh man, that could have been bad. Cybertruck. Oh yeah, like that? It's nice. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's working great. You can't catch me, hater.
You're back. How was the backpack?
It's great, dude. I feel like a changed man.
I see your rocket didn't fall out.
Με το νέο Ariel All-in-One Pods πλένουμε στους 30, γιατί κάθε βαθμός μετράει.
Λοιπόν, το κλείνουμε. Ήταν 1 ώρα.
This is a real